What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. For today's video, we're gonna be actually working on the Evo a little bit. I have not worked on my Evo, I don't know when was the last time we worked on this, but it's been a while. But also I want to tell you guys, the other day I went over to my tuner's house because I just wanted him to look over my tune. It's been really hot here in Arizona, so I just wanted him to check everything out, make sure everything was still in its place. And it turned into a tuning session.
Got all the sauce.
Did some tuning and actually put more boost. We added more boost and he added more fuel, and man, she made more power. So the car is running awesome, and big shout out to JA Tune. He gets down. He knows how to do his job, and big shout out to him. And also go follow him at JA Tune on Instagram, and also go follow Boosted Chewy also on Instagram. Chewy and Jose, cool ass dudes. Really appreciate you guys helping me out. But she made more power, and she's running freaking. She runs awesome, and yeah, it just, you know, from something just to go that was supposed to just go get checked or whatever, it turned into the car making more power. So that's awesome, and I love it. I just love it. She moves. But yeah, guys, for today's video, as you guys can see, I don't really like that my wheels tuck in my fender. So I wanted to fix that. I actually ordered some spacers from App Performance. I ordered some 20 mil spacers, and we're gonna slap those on today. But I do have a little issue. One of these wheel studs is broken, so I'm gonna have to figure out how the hell I'm gonna pull this wheel off, because that wheel stud is done, and this whole thing spins. So I'm gonna have to figure that out right now, and hopefully if I hit it with the impact, you know, just hitting it, hopefully I can just break the stud, and hopefully that will help. But I am not sure how much I'm gonna struggle, but it should look a little better. You know, I don't have no wheel poking out like a DSM looks sick because the wheel pops out a little. I think that's what gives you that mean aggressive look. Just the wheel pops up a little. So I actually have them right here. Let me show you guys real quick. These are the spacers that I bought. Can't go wrong. They look pretty damn nice, and the price is awfully cheap. So you get a pair for, I believe, 50 bucks. You get the pair, and I mean, check them out. They look pretty nice. So I'm gonna be slapping these on the Evo, but like I said, I don't know how much of a struggle it's gonna be to pull off that wheel. So I want to do that first. I went and bought the new stud. I bought two of them just in case, but I went and bought this to replace it. So that's what we're gonna do right now, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and lift the car, put it on a jack stand, and see if I can get that wheel to come off. I don't want to bore you guys in that little thing, so let me go ahead and lift it up, try to pop it off. I'll tell you guys if I do get it off. I'll tell you guys how I did it or what I did, and then I'll show you guys how to install the stud once I have the wheel off. But let me go ahead and do that, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alrighty, guys, a little update on the Evo. It is currently the next day. I've been working my ass off. I broke at least 5 drill bits of these ones. I went back and bought another set. Let me see if I did get one of them out. Turns out I thought there was only one that was broken in there, but it's actually 2 that were stripped in there. So I got one out. I need one more. Ah, man, check it out. It's right there. And there's all the stuff that's been coming out. But man, it has been a pain in the ass. I'm telling you, the tire shops with the impact, they get crazy. But I did put the spacers on this side already, so you can't fully tell until I drop the car. But check out the back. The back, you can tell. I already put the other one on, so I'll show you guys. This is what this one looks right there. It's super like tucked in. And then check this one out. So you can see that little poke just a little bit, and I think it looks pretty nice. So that one's done, and I also did the one in the front, but like I said, I need to put the car down so I can really see what it's gonna look like. But I think it's gonna look nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that one off right now and throw the spacer on. My battery died on my drill, I don't know how many times, so I've been charging them to finally get that final thing out, and then I can put the new studs in and then put it back together. But man, it has been a pain in the ass, I tell you. I'll catch you guys once I finally get that wheel off. Woo! What do you guys? Finally got that wheel off, man. It took forever, but I got it off. So now on to replacing the new studs, which are right here. So it's pretty simple, man. I'm gonna have to do these calipers soon because they're busted. But anyways, it's really simple. You take off the two 19 mil bolts are in the back right here to take off your caliper. And once you take your caliper off, you remove your rotor, and then you'll have access to removing the studs. I'm gonna go ahead and bring these out real quick, and then I'll show you guys once I take off the rotor. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and pulled off my rotor. My caliper. Let me see if I can set you guys up so I can pull off this rotor. So here's the other one that I had drilled out. Man, I was drilling for days. And then just right here, all you have to do is just I don't think it's in gear. Let me see if I can spin it. Alrighty, so pretty much this is a space you have to work with to install these. You just, there you go, pull it out and check it out. There's the old stud. Man, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna clean this up right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and throw these bad boys on. So the reason for these stripping, I have this one open already, as you can see this stud right here in the edge is completely all the little grooves are completely gone, so it's stripped. So that's why when I would try to tighten it or try to take it off, it would just spin. And as you can see, the new one, it has all these little grooves around it, and that's what keeps it tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean around here real quick and then throw my new stud in. I tell you guys, it's a pain in the butt, especially when your drill bits are weak and they just keep breaking. The ones that were able to hold up, went to Home Depot, bought these DeWalt ones, and these ones hold it up fine. I went little by size until I got the hole big enough, but yeah, these hold up good. Recommend these if you're gonna drill your studs out. Only broke one, and that's probably because I was drilling too fast and I didn't stop, so it got really hot and it broke. But let me clean up, install these new stud, and let's get it. Alrighty guys, so as you guys can see, I have one stud in already. Alright, so the way this works is you put your stud in, through the thing. You just literally hammer it in just a tiny bit, just so it gets like a little stuck. And then once it gets stuck, you grab, I have one of these old lug nuts from my old car, and you just start tying it up. And with the same pressure that you tighten it up, with the same once you start tying it, it will start coming in on its own from the back. It gets pretty hard, but it will eventually come in on its own. You just have to keep going until the head comes in flat like that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep going on this until I have it in. Once I have it in, I can go ahead and put on my rotor. Whew, and put my wheel back on. My spacer, then my wheel. I'm digging that poke though. It's looking good. Alrighty guys, I have both of my new studs in. And just time to put on my rotor back on and my caliper. And I should be good. Throw my spacer on and throw my wheel back on, and it should be a done deal. Tell you what, if you see the tire guys one day at the tire shop, just tell them, hey bro, you gotta stop that shit, cause I'm telling you guys, this shit is not fun. I literally took all day yesterday and today because drill bits were getting broken, and then had to go to Home Depot. But it's bad. Look at all that shit. So it's not fun. I mean, I understand if the lug nut was stripped, you know, it would be a lot easier to pull it off. But once the nut and this thing start to spin, yep, it's not a fun time. But anyways, start complaining, throw these on, and let's get it. Alrighty guys, so it has been a couple of weeks since I did the spacers, and I did the I painted my wheels on the Evo. But before I show you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wash her up because we had like all these crazy dust storms. So I'm gonna wash her up, and then I'll show you guys what it turned out to be like after the spacers and when I plastic dipped the wheels white. But man, look at my DSM looking all lonely over there. Neglected, huh? She still looks good though, and she still starts right up. And also guys, check what I have inside the garage already. Stay tuned for that. Like I said, have a mess, dust storms, just all bad. But let me go ahead and wash her up, and I'll show you guys what the turnout was. Alrighty guys, so here it is. I washed her up, cleaned her up, and there she is. Alrighty guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that little video. Not too little, honestly. It was honestly pretty long, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video of just, you know, putting on the spacers on the Evo, even though it was a pain in the butt to drill out those studs. But we got it done, and I believe that the Evo looks a lot better with the spacers and with the white wheels. So yeah guys, I really digged it, and like I said, it gave her a more of an aggressive look. So I definitely liked it. So that is gonna be the end of this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys are not subscribed to me, please hit that subscribe button, please hit that like button, and if you guys do not follow me on Instagram, please go follow me at 4G63Addict, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one, guys.